Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Grok AI. Is your Grok AI logging, glitching, or not loading properly? Good news, you don't need to mess with your browser anymore. Grok now has a built-in clear cache option, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it. So first, open Grok on your browser, then click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Now what you need to do is to go to Settings, tap on that. This is where you control everything related to your account. Next, what you can do is hover over the left side and click on Data Controls. Now, this section manages your data, storage, and cache. So, scroll down a bit until you see Clear Cache. So, you'll notice a button that says Clear. Tap on that, and as you can see, it's now clearing the cache. So, this is the built in feature that removes stored data directly from Grok. So, just click the Clear button, and Grok will instantly remove local cache, temporary files, and stored app data. So this helps reset the app and fix common issues. So after clearing cache, you'll be signed out to your account. So sign back in. Click on sign in at the top right. So you can log in with X, with Gmail, or with your Apple account. So I'm going to log in with my Gmail account, and it will redirect me back to the Grok's website. So you should now notice smoother performance. Now, take note this does not delete your account or projects. It only clears temporary data, and you might need to log in again in some cases, just like what I did. And that's how you can clear cache in Grok AI using the built in feature. And this is one of the easiest ways to fix bugs, improve speed, and reset your experience without losing your important data. So if Gog ever feels slow or broken, this should be the first thing you should try. So again, to recap, just go to your profile at the bottom left corner, go to settings. Next, go to data controls. Scroll down a bit until you see clear cache and just click on clear. And that's basically it. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.